How to fix Forza Horizon not downloading, keeps redownloading or stuck at error 0% on Windows. To fix Forza Horizon not downloading, keeps redownloading or stuck at error 0% on Windows, try 1. Check and sync date/time on your PC. 2. Clear cache and temp folder. 3. Run disk cleanup. 4. Enable, unregister and re-register Windows installer service. Run these commands as admin, misexec/unreg misexec/regserver5. Reset or reinstall. Xbox App 6. Sign out and sign in to Microsoft Store. 7. Reset Microsoft Store. 8. Check and improve your internet connection, if possible. 9. Change where new content is saved on PC, and using the default option is recommended. Hint, check the where new content is saved option. 10. Remove the game using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide. 11. Repair, reset, or reinstall gaming services. 12. Create a new user account. 13. Play Forza Horizon in Windows clean boot state. 14. Disable security software. 15. Uninstall/remove VPN/proxy server, if applicable. Plan B, disconnect your device from any site of VPN/proxy connection.